This meme has been making the rounds on the internet lately. It originally looked like this and is now evolving into things like this and more meta versions that look like this. While some people think you need a fancy editor like Photoshop to make any version of this meme, that's completely untrue. I'll be showing you how you can make your own versions of this meme, whether it's a photo or a video or a GIF, starting with a free online template that you can go in and edit to customize whatever you want. It's all free online and you don't need to download any software. So to get started with this meme, you can just go to our meme template, which I'll put the link in the description below, and all you have to do is click make it. And it takes you to this editor where you can make any edits you want. So this is like a basic version of Photoshop and a video editor that can make any type of content, including GIFs. So one version of this meme I want to try and make is making the world just corn, and then they're saying like, wait, it's all corn, it always has been. So let's see, let's go to images, search for corn. Okay, I think I'll do this one. And as you can see, it's a square, which you could probably just leave it like that, and it's kind of funny that it's just like a square overlaid on the screen. But if you want to try and make it more like circular, like the globe, like some other versions have, you can go in to click the image and click erase on the side. And this takes you to kind of like a PNG maker where you can just freehand erase whatever you want. But there's also a magic wand where if you click and drag, it'll erase. It'll change the sensitivity first of all. And then you can just select that layer, that aspect, and then delete it by clicking delete. So you can change the sensitivity to delete certain parts of it. I think I'm gonna try and just make a circle out of this corn. So I'm just gonna delete all this extra not corn looking stuff. Make sure to get the borders too. You can see there was white lines there. And I'm gonna just go in and erase more of the outside so it looks like it's more of a circular shape. You can change how zoomed in it is for finer edits. Cool, so that's pretty circular. We can go in and edit this later again too. But I think I'm happy with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click done, and my corn comes up. So if I drag to make it bigger, you can see that I'll either have to overlap with the astronaut or it'll show some of the background with the globe. So I don't really want either of those. I want to like delete this background globe part. So what you can do for that is click that image, the base layer, and then go to erase and just click and drag to delete the world, the blue part. So if the sensitivity when you click and drag is not enough, you can also just increase it on the side here and it should grab that whole section. So I think that's pretty good. Some of these, if these little spots in the back are showing, I might come in and delete more of them, but I think that should be good for what I want to do. So I'm just gonna click done. Now you can see that there's like white behind it, but to counter that, we can just click the canvas itself and you can choose a background color, and the background is basically black. So if you click that, it looks pretty good. Like there's nothing actually behind it. So I'm just gonna make this bigger. Now it's just a corn world. And I'm gonna just change the text to say, wait, it's all corn. Nice. And yeah, obviously you can change the text or add whatever overlays you want to this. I'm pretty happy with this one. So once you're done with it, you can just go ahead and click publish and your video, it will load. There we go. So that's the first always has been meme that I'm making. From here, you can click download to save it to your computer, or you can copy the link to it and share it on social media that way. I want to do another version to show you guys more of like what the options here. So I'm gonna go back to the template and make another one. So for this one, I want to have like some sort of transparent image here. I'm just gonna do like Hello Kitty or something. Hello Kitty. So I'm just gonna choose this one. Kind of move it over and make it smaller so it fits on the world. And I don't want it to be just the overlaid. I want it to be more transparent. So you can go over on the right and click adjust. And then there's opacity. You make it lower so it's kind of see-through. And then there you go. It kind of looks like there's Hello Kitty there. And then you can say, wait, it's all Hello Kitty. Nice. So there we go. Just click publish again and our meme has loaded. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is that you can add scenes here. So if you want to have more of a video or GIF version of this meme, you can just add the scene and make I've seen some people take the first image. So I'm just copying the first image, putting it in the second scene, and I'm going to flip it backwards. So like that. So you have this and then that. But yeah, there's basically just a ton of options here. Play around with it. You can, if it's a video and you want to adjust the layers on the timeline on the video, click timeline and it'll bring up all the layers that you can drag when they'll appear on screen. So like this one will appear after, the always has been appears after. If you want to publish it as a GIF, just go ahead and click settings in the top corner and then you can just say output file GIF. Otherwise, if you just want to publish the video, it's the same thing, just click publish and download later. We have a ton of meme templates besides this one. Make sure to check them out. We try to keep on top of meme trends and we'll put all the templates here so you can just quickly go and make it and download it for sharing. So let us know other memes you want us to make and show tutorials on, and we'll see you in the next video.